Welcome to the continuation of our lessons on rewrites, where we're going to take a look at a type of rewrite called so that. For those interested in tuitions and of course in other subjects, not just English, you can install the app. The install link is in the description below. So how do we use so that? Basically, we have so, some words, then that, some words. Okay? So that shows a cause and a result. So will show the cause, meaning because of something, then that will show what happened, the result. Okay? So comes with an adjective. Okay, an adjective, it's a word that talks more about a noun. Okay, words like tired, happy, okay, they are adjective. They give you an idea of how someone or something is. Okay, so after the so and the adjective, that will tell us what happens next. For example, so tired that I slept. Okay, meaning so adjective, because you were tired, you slept. Here are some key rules. So is always followed by that. So is always followed by that. Okay, but not like after you write so, then you write that, like so that. No, it's so some words, that some words. So you have to put the adjective, okay, after so. So tired, so happy, so big, okay, and the result after that. Okay, so the result has to be put after the word that. So tired, which is so, and the adjective that, what happened, I slept. So how do you rewrite? Okay, first you have to find the feeling or situation or the adjective. Okay, the words like hungry, loud, tired, happy, big. Okay, adjectives. So you have to find an adjective first. Okay, then after that you start with so plus adjective plus subject plus words like was, are, is. Was if it's in the past, is if it's now, are if there are many. Okay, so this is the structure. So number one, adjective like tired, subject, then was, are, is. Then after that you write that and the result. So write that and so we look at result. Examples. Mary was very annoyed. Consequently, she slapped her husband. So begin so. So you have to look for the adjective. The adjective is annoyed. So annoyed is, was, or, her, right? After adjective, there should be is, was, or, are. So annoyed was Mary that she slapped her husband. Okay? So annoyed was Mary that she slapped her husband. Some customers are so funny that they even call us CC. So begin so. So what's the adjective? Funny. So funny has some customers that they even call her CC. Okay? The teacher felt so angry at being let down by his pupils that he punished them. Begin so. Okay, what's the adjective? Hungry. So hungry was the teacher at being let down, supposed to be down this one, by his pupils that, what happened? He punished them. The music was loud, everyone danced. Okay, what's the adjective? Loud. What was loud? Music, right? So loud is, was, or her. Was the music that everyone danced. She was tired, she went to bed early. Begin so. So the adjective is tired. So tired was she. What happened? She went to bed early. That she went to bed early. Okay, number 6. The rain was heavy, the streets flooded. Begin so. Okay, so what is the adjective? Heavy. Okay, what was heavy? The rain. So heavy is, was, or her, right? So heavy was the rain. That what happened? The streets flooded. He spoke quietly, no one heard him. He spoke quietly, no one heard him. Begin so. Okay, so the adjective is quietly. Okay, so quietly. Okay, did he speak that no one heard him? So if you look at this, it's different from the ones we have looked at so far. Okay, normally we have so, then we have an adjective, then we have is, was, or are. Now the problem with this is this adjective quietly describes the manner he did something, he spoke. So in that case, you don't have to use is, was, or are. Okay, because something was done, we're talking about the manner in which something was done, so we use did. Okay, so quiet, did, then what happened, of course, is spoke, which is in past tense. You have to bring it to present tense. Okay, you have to bring it to present tense because did shows that it is in the past. Okay, so quiet did he speak, supposed to be, yeah, so quiet did, so quiet. Just a minute. I drink some water. Okay, we continue. So here it's supposed to be quietly, the way it is here. Okay, just a typing mistake. It's supposed to be quietly. So quietly did he speak that no one heard him. Okay, so when there is an action that was done, and there is a word that describes the manner in which that action was done, you have to use did. For example, I can say he ran fast that he became number one. Okay, he ran fast that he became number one. Okay, so it will be so fast did he. Okay, so fast did he, because the fast describes how the running was done. Okay, the cake was delicious, we ate it all. Begin so. So the adjective is delicious. So delicious was the cake that we ate it all. So this is just a common one, like the ones we have looked before. The ones we have looked at before. Okay, number 9. The dog was fast, it caught the ball. Okay, the dog was fast, it caught the ball. So here is my attempted answer. So fast was the dog that it caught the ball. Is this correct? So fast was the dog that it caught the ball. Yes, it's very correct. Okay, so fast was the dog that it caught the ball. If there was a way like the dog ran fast that it caught the ball, then we have to use did. Okay, we have to use did. Then I was hungry, I ate 2 plates of food. I was hungry, I ate 2 plates of food. So the adjective is hungry. So hungry was I that I ate 2 plates of food. So this is how to use so that. So this marks the end of today's lesson. See you in the next lesson.